Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. Today is not a repair video as such, it's just basically to show you the inside of a turbo and to show you the turbo variable vanes. I had a 2006 VW Touran in with a stick-in turbo actuator lever because the variable vanes were getting stuck. We had intermittent codes, we had intermittent overboost codes and underboost codes. So I think the actuator arm was getting stuck during its travel, one way or the other, causing the vanes to stick open or stick closed. So it's just a nut and bolt job, so I didn't show you that. Besides, it's all up underneath the car, so I couldn't really show you a lot under there. Not a lot of room to have yourself and the camera under there. But once I got it all off, I'll show you the inside of the turbo, show you the variable vanes, and show you what gets stuck and what needs cleaning. And then we'll do an actuator test at the end of it to show that it's all working again, and then we can bolt it all back together. Right, now we've got the turbo off, you can see that the arm is flopping about, but it's not really, there's no resistance there at all, and it's not moving the vanes at all, so the vanes are seized in the housing. So let's get this apart. Just 1, 2, 3 more bolts, and then the shell will come off. I've just got these two to take out now. They were loosened with the appropriate spanner to start with. And now we should just be able to tap that, and we should be able to get that out of there. Alright, bear with me 1 second. Right, so that's out of there. As you can see, that arm moves okay. Let's have a look, see what's going on in here. So where would that one have sat? That one sits in there. Well, it's not too bad. It's a bit graunchy. We'll take all them out and give them a good clean. Yeah, at the moment we haven't got a great range of travel. From the 0 point there where that little dot is, it comes that way to the stop there, and then going back the other way, it only goes halfway and stops. Right, so now that rings off. As you can see, these little arms have got restricted travel. So what we'll do next is we'll take these 3 little torque screws out, and then we'll take the whole vane assembly out of the housing and see what's going on now. Right, they took some getting out. Those two, that one and that one, weren't too bad. That one was quite tight. Pretty easy. I had to gently tap it with the old impact driver to get that one out. So now we've got these 3 loose, we should be able to just take the gubbins out. I've marked that one there so it goes next to the dot, so we know where that goes back in. And there's all the little arms. So what we'll do, we'll clean them up, make sure that's nice and clean, make sure it's nice and clean inside there. So we've got 3 spacers, so we can't forget those. And we'll give this a good clean out, and we'll give that a good clean, and then we'll reassemble. Right, now everything's nice and clean. We've got the inside of the casing nice and clean. We've got the washer cleaned up. All the variable vanes all nice and clean and free. And the actual lever itself is nice and clean on there. So let's see if we can reassemble. So first of all, what we need to do is to drop this plate back in, and we'll line that up with the holes. I think these only go in one way. Yeah, that goes like that. Then we need our 3 little spacers. Can't forget those. And then our vanes. Let's see where we had our mark. That one went like so, and then we'll put our 3 bolts in. One, 2, making sure we don't lose the spacers. Right, I'll get them tightened down and then I'll be back. Alright, here we are all back together. It all seems to work nice and smoothly. So we'll see if we can put the top on without losing any of the pins. Alright, so now we've got it all back together. We've got the actuator bolted back onto it, all the bolts are all around the housing. So now we can test it, and we'll find that if we apply vacuum to it now, let's see if we can get it in the shot. We get a full range of travel now at 17 inches of mercury, and then release the pressure back to its stop, apply vacuum, up to its maximum mark. Let's zoom in there. Apply vacuum, and off. Alright, so that should be better. So all we've got to do now is reassemble. Well, there you go, a quick little video. I hope that helped somebody. You know, just helped to show the inside of the turbo, what's involved in the variable vanes. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.